Get ready for the perfect fit. Your LIZN Hearpieces come with 4 different Heartip sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large, ensuring a secure, comfortable fit for every ear. Choosing the right size is key to comfort and sound quality. Each Heartip can be easily swapped by gently removing it from the hearpiece and securing the preferred size. The LIZN Hearpieces are delivered with medium-sized soft Heartips already attached. Selecting Heartips that are too small will degrade the sound experience and the speech comprehension. Further, you'll risk the hearpiece falling out of your ear or moving too far into the ear canal, which might cause one of the microphone inlets to be blocked. Selecting Heartips that are too big may cause pain or discomfort. To attach the Heartip to the hearpiece, simply slide it over the speaker hole, similar to placing a rubber band on a jar. Please experiment with different sizes of Heartips until you have found the most comfortable solution. And never use the LIZN Hearpieces without the Heartips. For the best fit, insert the hearpiece gently into your ear canal. It should sit securely without discomfort, ensuring a snug fit that enhances clarity and noise isolation. The flexible ear tips conform to your ear, delivering a comfortable listening experience even during extended wear. And whether you're moving around or sitting still, the right fit ensures the hearpieces stay in place, providing consistent sound and comfort throughout the day. And when you find the perfect fit, you not only enhance your comfort, you also elevate the sound quality, making it easy to immerse yourself in the full experience of your LIZN Hearpieces. LIZN, be present.